Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple habits that can improve your life in powerful ways. Today's topic looks very basic. Something you do every day without thinking. Water. You drink it, you need it, you trust it. But what if the way you drink water is not correct? Have you ever felt tired even after drinking enough water? Dry skin, low energy, slow digestion. The problem may not be how much water you drink. The problem may be how you drink it. Your body depends on water for almost every function. Blood flow, digestion, temperature control. Everything needs hydration. But your body does not use water instantly. It absorbs it slowly. It distributes it step by step. When you drink too much at once, your system becomes overloaded. Your body cannot use it properly. Instead of helping, it creates imbalance. This is why timing matters. Start your morning with 1 glass of water. Your body wakes up, your system activates. Drink slowly. Small sips, not large amounts at once. This allows your body to absorb water naturally. During meals, avoid drinking too much water. Your digestion becomes weaker when liquids dilute stomach activity. Between meals, hydration works better. Then comes something important. Your skin begins to change. Proper hydration helps your skin look fresh, clear, alive. Your kidneys also benefit. They filter waste more effectively. Your body becomes cleaner from inside. Energy improves. Your mind becomes clearer. Your body feels lighter. All from something so simple. Water is not just a drink. It is a tool that can heal your body when used correctly. Just a few changes in your daily habit. Slow drinking, proper timing, consistency. And your body begins to respond. Because sometimes, the biggest improvements come from the smallest habits. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support matters. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay hydrated. Take care.